Russia has launched a massive overnight barrage across Ukraine and claims it went straight for Kyiv's war machine. Moscow's defense ministry said it struck the Firepoint facility in Kyiv, which it claims produces Ukraine's Flamingo missiles along with the Kyiv-111 drone plant. The claims have not been independently verified. But Moscow says the assault went far beyond weapons factories. Russia reported strikes on the Kremenchuk oil refinery, described as Ukraine's largest, and a steel mill in Kyiv-111. The alleged targets point to a broader attempt to hit Ukraine's military production and industrial capacity. Kyiv, meanwhile, was left dealing with flames, casualties, and another night of aerial terror. A Russian missile and drone strike hit a book market, triggering a major fire. Ukraine said it shot down 3 Russian missiles and nearly 100 drones. At least 3 people were killed and more than 10 injured, officials said. Kyiv Mayor Vitaly Klitschko reported 6 injuries in the capital, including a child. The bloodshed spread beyond Kyiv. Zaporizhia regional head Ivan Fedorov said 2 people were killed when a Russian-guided aerial bomb destroyed a house. In Dnipropetrovsk, officials reported 1 dead and 14 injured as Russian attacks continued across Ukraine. Then came a dramatic claim from Moscow. Hundreds of Ukrainian drones allegedly heading for the Russian capital. Moscow Mayor Sergei Sobyanin said around 600 Ukrainian drones were launched toward Moscow overnight, with a Wildberries warehouse reportedly hit. The claim could not be independently verified. Russia is hitting Ukraine's war industry, while Kyiv is taking the drone war straight toward Moscow.